Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So if you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. So if you also have a craze of hair fashion, then you come on a right platform. In this platform, you can get latest hairstyles, trendy haircuts and bouncy hair dye color ideas for women and girls both. So guys, don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. So guys, you don't miss my today content. I hope my today content is very helpful for you and it's help to you to bring more new ideas and so guys, you must watching my videos without skipping it and watching till the end. If you love my today content, then do share it with other people as well as your friends and family members. So guys, I work so hard for you with honesty for you guys. Keep watching my videos and keep supporting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring up more new updates for you. I hope my today content is bring up for you more ideas and it is very helpful for you. So you know that our goal is to inspire our viewers to believe in self-confidence and to create their own unique style across all categories of fashion. So here you will find the latest trends on Visual Hairstylist. Let's come to the main point. Today I am going to show you a most beautiful and attractive cuts. I am talking about a short pixie haircut which is very trendy and viral nowadays, and you know about that pixie haircut is very trendy in 2022. All the people and the girls are very excited to wear this hairstyle, and this is one of the hairstyle you didn't face any problem. Your attention is now increases. So trendy very short pixie haircuts are versatile crop styles for women of all ages. The length varies from ear to jaw grazing cuts. Whatever you like it, sleek or tousled, pixies flaunt confidence and elegance. Pixie cuts are short, no longer than 2 inches. So super short pixie cuts not only do they draw attention to every line and wrinkle on your face. Ultra short hairstyles tend to be preferred by women of a certain age, making even young women look significantly older than they actually are when they get one. So as you can see in my video, I am sharing with you several pictures with different ideas. You can take the idea from my video and choose a hairstyle which is best for you according to your face shape. So the new Pixie is one of the trendiest haircut for spring or summer season special 2022. The modern version of it is characterized by volume and length that aim for a sense of naturalness, as though it were a grown out version of a one international haircut. If you want the perfect 90s Winona Ryder vibes, this is the haircut for you. I am talking about that is the pixie haircut is good for older ladies or not? So the answer is here that pixie styles are a modern and a contemporary way to wear your hair when you are over 60. Actually, pixies look great at any age. These super short skirts are excellent for thick or thin hair, and you have more styling options than you probably think. So pixie cut basically a classic haircut. So if you want to avoid a long haircut and you not have a fond of long hair, you can choose it and wear it. So I hope you inspire my today beautiful and latest ideas, and these all are updated ideas for you. This is one of the prettiest and the updated designs which are you watching here, and with the adorable looks. So guys, I hope you like my today content. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to complete your request and bring up more ideas for you. So you know about that I am starting the series of pixie cut. So if you want to watch my previous videos, so please visit my channel and watch it. I hope that is very helpful for you. So beauty have no limits, so it doesn't matter how old are you. Fashion is the armor to survive the reality of everyday life. So here a good haircut plays an important role in our personality, and it's a good haircut make you more attractable and adorable. So dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family and friends. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Take care.